So here you are, opening day. Me and Brett went walking around and so Brett, what's up, man? So what's going on? You want to go to a game this year? Nice.
You guys are always watching on back too, so.
That's true. We're at opening day. This is pre-recorded because we just started some footage over here for Wesley TV.
I took a picture with number 34.
What was that?
I took a picture with number 34 over there. He's actually chill.
So they're getting their practice in and everything else.
Game starts at 8.
Yeah.
8 or 7 tonight.
Here at opening day, guys. We're not watching it, but we're just going through it.